Crafting Pixel-Perfect Prose, Mastering Precision in Writing. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that captures the essence of meticulous writing, pixel-perfect prose. If you've ever wondered how to elevate your writing to a level where every word, much like every pixel on a screen, is placed with precision and purpose, then you're in the right place. Let's unfold the meaning of this phrase together and discover how it can transform your writing skills. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts. The term pixel perfect originally comes from the world of digital design. It refers to the meticulous attention to detail where each pixel on a screen is considered in the design, ensuring that the final product is flawless and exactly as intended. When we apply this concept to prose, we're talking about writing that is crafted with the utmost care and precision, where every word serves a purpose, and nothing is out of place. Now, let's explore the second part of our phrase, prose. Prose is essentially any form of written or spoken language that does not have a regular rhythmic pattern, unlike poetry. In literature, it encompasses everything from novels and essays to articles and speeches. When we talk about pixel-perfect prose, we're referring to prose that is not only grammatically flawless but also compelling, clear, and refined. Achieving pixel-perfect prose is no small feat. It requires a deep understanding of the language, a wide vocabulary, and, most importantly, a keen eye for detail. Here are some tips to help you write more precisely. Edit and revise your work multiple times. Look for any unnecessary words or phrases that don't add value to your message. Read widely to understand different styles and expand your vocabulary. Pay attention to rhythm and flow. Even in prose, the way sentences are constructed and flow into each other matters. Seek feedback from others. Sometimes, a fresh pair of eyes can catch what you've missed. Writing with precision enhances clarity and effectiveness, making your message more powerful and engaging. Pixel-perfect prose is particularly important in professional settings, creative writing, and any context where the impact of your words matters. By striving for precision, you ensure that your audience understands your message exactly as you intended, with no room for misinterpretation. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of pixel-perfect prose. Remember, the journey to writing with precision is ongoing and requires patience, practice, and a passion for the craft. I hope this video inspires you to look at your writing through a new lens, paying close attention to the detail and purpose behind each word you write. Keep striving for excellence in your writing, and until next time, happy writing!